Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you what you can do if your Snapchat videos aren't playing. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so first what you have to do is check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. So if you are just using your mobile device data, then you need to connect to your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a pretty good internet connection. Now after that, you can go ahead and go to settings, and from here you can scroll down and go to apps, and you can look for Snapchat in here. You can scroll through these apps, or you can simply tap on this one and type on Snapchat. Okay, so it's right here. So once you found it, you have to tap on it and go to storage. So from here, just tap on clear cache like so, and after that you can also tap on clear data. So this is going to reset Snapchat on your device and you should be good to go. Now the next time that you open up your Snapchat, you should see the videos now playing. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.